different charges that are sort of opposite, one on one end, one on the other. So some positive charges on one end, some negative charges on the other. That's a good question. So now what other questions might you have about thunderstorms?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Sorry, I gotta
That's
steal it.
okay. You know what? Oh, before you go, hang on a second. I have something for you.
Daddy, hang on.
You have a sticker.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
You too.
How are you?
I'm sorry.
I didn't realize you were there.
Not yet.
So what other questions do you think you might have about thunderstorms? Yes.
So it performs by clouds?
Yeah, so the big thunderstorm, so this cloud right here is what we call a big cumulonimbus cloud. So the cumulus cloud are those clouds we might see today. And what we need in order for this to be created is what we call instability. So when there's hot and cold air, so a lot of warm air that rises into the atmosphere, it's going to cool down and it's going to create these clouds. And what happens over time, it's going to take a while for it to be this big. Now, are you guys familiar with the troposphere? It's the first layer of the atmosphere, and it's the layer of the atmosphere where all the Earth's weather happens. So when we see this cloud like this, and we see this top flatten out like this, that means it's really big because it's getting to the top of the tropopause. And this is called the anvil part of the cloud. When we see anvils, we know that there's going to be a thunderstorm.